Do you have backyard chickens and a compost pile? If you aren't using them together, then you are missing out on the perfect marriage of resources. You usually keep chickens out of the garden because they try to eat it, and also poop on it. They can't stay on the same land because they ruin it. They really deplete resources fast, creating unhealthy land and then getting sick when there's nothing left. But all of the pecking, scratching, and eating up resources that would normally ruin the yard is perfect for speeding up the process of a compost pile. When creating a compost pile, the science behind it is the carbon and the nitrogen. We need to balance our carbon and nitrogen ratio to control the speed of decomposition, but also the quality of our compost. A ratio of 24 parts carbon to 1 part nitrogen is ideal for soil microorganisms to thrive and will improve the quality of the compost. Carbon can come from brown matters such as hay, cardboard, leaves, shredded newspaper, pine needles, sawdust, straw. Nitrogen is derived from green matter such as garden waste, kitchen scraps, and chicken manure. By allowing your chickens to roam on your compost pile, or attaching your compost pile to your chicken coop, they'll feed on the food scraps and then add their nitrogen-rich manure to the pile. The chickens will naturally tear into the organic material. Count on the hens to mix it up by scratching around, and it will be smelling fresh from the healthy carbon and nitrogen ratio. You can add new green and brown materials into the pile daily and mix it well, and expose those nutrient-rich layers for the chickens to feast on. Keep your compost warm with the sun. Eventually you will find a perfect, dark and crumbled soil at the bottom of the mixture, which can then be added to your garden as a nutrient-rich soil.